Welcome back to the second guide. In this guide I'm going to have a look at the categorisation section and the key functions and features within the section. Now, broadly speaking, in terms of the categorisation section, it's the challenge advisor that's going to provide most of the input in terms of the summaries. So you'll notice that when I'm on the overview page, overview tab, okay, at the start, what I can see is the overview of the categorisation. I can then read the summary that the challenge advisor has provided, but I'm not able to edit that particular section. You'll notice that what I can do is at the top of the page I can download the categorisation guidance, which is a PDF on the categorisation guidance provided by Welsh Government for reference. And what I can also do is I can download the PDF report, which shows the summary that's been provided by the challenge advisor. So if I just click on the download PDF report button first, what will happen is once the information has been downloaded onto my computer, I can then open it, and then you will get a PDF version of the summary. So here's my school, Tristan Primary Highest, and all the information that's available through the various steps within this section will then be summarised. Now, there's no text commentary in here at the moment because this hasn't been provided, but what you will be able to do is download the PDFs each time there's been a review or when you require that information, so for example for your governors. If we go into the different steps now, so the overview step, the summary is provided by the challenge advisor. If I go into step 1, what I can see here is the various benchmarks, okay, and the indicators and where the school is relative to those indicators, and the various data measures, and again where the school sits relative to those measures, and the benchmarking and calculations information, and where again the school sits relative to those indicators. In step 2 and 3, this is where the challenge advisor will look at the school's capacity to self-improve, and will be able to move the little circle on the screen in a horizontal position to demonstrate where the school is in terms of its capacity to improve, and will also provide a summary to the school within this space. Now, what we have provided in each section of MySID is the ability to feed back to so that there can be an ongoing dialogue between the head teacher and the challenge advisor. And if you as a head teacher would like to add a comment back to the challenge advisor, you can simply click on the add comment section and then write your comment in the box at the top of the screen. So if I just write a quick comment in here, I would agree with your summary, and I click on done. What you'll find now is that within the comment section, my comment has been added here. You have got the ability to delete your own comments by simply clicking on the X at the top of that dialog box there. Okay. Now, I guess one final thing to illustrate to you is the fact that there's a publish status on reports. Now, currently this report hasn't been published. It's been set up so that the challenge advisor can complete their summary and the head teacher can feed back. And then at a fixed point in time, the principal challenge advisor will then have the ability to publish this report, okay, and that will then be on file and available at the top of the screen here. And when you click on the screen here, there's a little drop down arrow. Each report that's been published will then be available for review through time, so that schools can have a look at their progress and challenge advisors can have a look at the school's progress as time has moved forward relative to their performance. Okay, so that's a quick summary of how the categorisation section works. In the next video, I'll be looking at how to set up the self-evaluation review.